7 AM. I'm on my third cup of coffee, and this might be my favourite thing to do in all of Vietnam. The moment you turn that corner, it just hits you. The smell of fresh herbs, the sound of vendors calling out, baskets stacked high with the morning catches still glistening from the river. This is the Hội An that doesn't make it onto the postcards. It's real life, there's no filter. It's amazing to sit and watch. Honestly, the colour here is a photographer's dream. Bright purple eggplant, bundles of water spinach, little pies of lemongrass all tied up in bouquets. Everything's super local and super seasonal. A lot of it comes just down the road, which has been supplying Hội An's kitchens for centuries. The best part for me though, the people. There's no performance here, no one's playing up for the camera, and everyone is just simply working. There's something really beautiful about that. It's quiet, purposeful energy at the crack of dawn. And then there's the light. That soft, hazy early morning glow that filters through the market roof. It's the kind of light you just can't manufacture, and that's exactly why you have to get down here early. By 8 AM that light's gone. So if you ever find yourself in Hội An, and I really hope you do, set your alarm, skip the line just once and come down here. Bring a camera, bring some patience, maybe bring a coffee or two, and just take it all in. I've got some favourite images from this video. Have you guys got any? Let me know in the comments.